Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss about a Japanese term called Kaizen. Kaizen in Japanese language means change for better or continuous improvement. In fact, the second meaning, continuous improvement, is more often used for the term Kaizen. After the Second World War loss, most of the Japanese companies adopted this principle of Kaizen and have become business leaders in the world. And one such company we all know is Toyota. Toyota has become number one automobile maker in the world. And when a lot of research is done about how Toyota can become number one, half a dozen books have been published on this research. One management book called The Toyota Way, and also about Toyota processes engineering books also have been written. But all that research point to this principle Kaizen, which in other words means continuous improvement. It's not only organizations, even individuals who believed in this principle of Kaizen, that is continuous improvement, have created history. If you recall one such athlete by name Sergei Bubka, he's a athlete, he's a pole vaulter from present-day Ukraine. Those days he used to represent Soviet Union, and he created 35 world records. The greatness about him is that in his prime days, when he was at his peak of his career, there was literally no competition for him. But for him, the competition is his own record that he created in the previous event. So he created a world record and kept on breaking this world record 34 more times. So we should emulate Sergei Bubka. For us, the competition should be not other candidate. Our competition should be our performance in the previous examination, or what we were yesterday, how we can be better today, what improvement we can do today, and how are we today, what improvement we can bring tomorrow. So we should strive to improve every day, and the competition should be, as I said, our own performance, previous performance, not others. If you keep performing like this, if you keep improving every day like this, you and I also can achieve success. And when we do that, we also achieve success silently. In fact, like this, a small sapling becomes a big tree, silently growing every day. You and I should also grow every day silently, comparing our performance and not with others, comparing ourselves, and then grow silently, so that we can also become success. We can also give fruits. We will also reap the fruits of success. So in this new year, let every day you strive to be better than what you were the previous day. So wishing you success and a happy new year. Thank you.